guys, welcome back to my channel Techno guys. So as I regard it's a tech channel guys. With an unboxing, how a tech channel can survive without an unboxing. So in today's video I will be going to unbox this. Get it here. This is the Nokia 2.3. I recently brought it for my auntie. So if you want, if you want to know more about this phone, please subscribe my channel Techno AS and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from us. So let's get see the intro and let's fastly start unboxing. So guys, this is the unboxing here. So I will quickly show you the boxing. This is the box, and here we will be getting Nokia 2.3. This is Android 1 system. We will be getting Android 1. So this is a quick specs of this device. Will be 6.2 inches HD plus display, Google Assistant button, 13 plus 2 MB dual rear camera, 5 MB front camera, 4000 mAh battery. I have the 2 GB RAM and the 32 GB ROM variant, and we will be getting AI face unlock and Google Assistant. So and nothing much in the box. The covering is very neat. So first let's do the unboxing. First let me please cut the serotypes. Wow guys, so this is the smartphone in plastic cover. Let me show you guys. Before, let me please take it aside and let me show you what is the box contents. First we will be getting the SIM ejector tool. The next we will be getting a charger. Its rating is 5 watts 2 amp charger guys. You can see this is a 5 watts 2 amps charger. It's not focusing guys, sorry for the disc focusing. And we will be getting a USB cable. This is a what we say, let me please take a look. This is a it's a micro USB cable guys, no type C available. So let me please put this aside, and we will be getting the basic user manual stuffs, product safety info and a user manual. And it will be getting 3 years of Android versions updated. So let me take this off. So please let me keep them aside and let me take over the plastics. So guys, this we will be getting a 6.2 inches full HD plus screen. It's a great screen I think. And first let me overview this. On the top we have 3.5 mm headphone jack. On the right side we will be getting volume up and down button and the power on and off key. Very good tactile feel. And on the bottom side we will be getting the speaker, the micro USB cable and a microphone guys. On this end we will be getting the Google Assistant button, and this is the SIM tray guys. So guys, I will open the SIM tray for you. Guys, I am taking the SIM tray. So guys, we will be getting a micro USB and two this is a proper SIM tray. So I will put this here, and this is the screen. We are having a Nokia logo down here and a selfie camera, which is we will be getting V notch and the main and the front speaker. And here we will be getting dual rear camera with LED flash, the Nokia logo and some researching. So guys, this is a quick unboxing. Let's see in the end video. As you can, what a great smartphone. So let's see in the end video. Guys, this was a very small unboxing of this Nokia 2.3. As I am not going to reboot this system because this is my auntie's smartphone and I have ordered this. So if I will put up this, I think they will be angry at me. So I cannot do that because family guys, I ordered this for my auntie. As this is her first phone. As you can see, very great in looks and specs, very great. And I